mindset shift. That's what you really need to get your financial life under control. It doesn't have to be about denying yourself everything you love or making millions of dollars.
Our roadmap to wealth starts with the life you want and a step-by-step plan to help you get there. We then layer on psychology to help make sure you'll stick to those plans. Our solution, an online course that gives you simple, tactical steps to achieving your financial goals. The insights we share can be applied across the board, from saving, budgeting, and investing, to breaking down financial jargon, and even that side hustle you've been thinking so hard about. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on building the life you want today.